Hello everyone. We are very much concerned about our physical health issues, more than our mental health issues, especially when it is coming to children. Adults are very well concerned and known about their mental health issues and how to balance that. But when it is coming to children, the children cannot express themselves. The children cannot express their mental health issues or the symptoms what they are facing. This is indeed, and especially in this situation, especially in this COVID-19 lockdown situation, this is indeed an unprecedented situation to all of us, especially for children who face enormous disruptions to their lives. Children are like to be experiencing worry, anxiety, fear. Schools have been closed as a part of necessary measures. Then children may no longer have that sense of structure and stimulation that is provided by that environment. They have less opportunity to be with their friends and get their social support that is essential for their good mental health. Being at home can place some children at increased risk of or increased exposure to child protection issues, or make them to witness to interpersonal violences if their home is not a safe place. This is something very concerning. Mental health and psychological support services should be in a place, and child protection services need to adapt to ensure the care is still available for the children who are on and off with their families. To ensure that, our Terrace Homes Core organization has started the Thiruvannamalai Resource Center for Children Counseling and Career Guidance. Here we are providing psychotherapies, psychological counseling, career guidance for children in need and at high risk of mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and who are victimized to child protection issues such as physical abuses, sexual abuses, forced child marriages, and children who are trapped as delinquency cases because of their antisocial behaviors. In the past 10 days, we have received around 12 cases. In that, 90% of the cases are brought up because of this COVID situation. In that, we received 2 suspected theft cases. We have provided them intensive counseling and career guidance. Now, the boys are well prepared for their higher education. This resource center for counseling and career guidance is located in Perumbakam Road, behind to our Terrace Homes Core Trust Organization office, above to the Child Welfare Committee. You can reach us through child protection officers, probationary officers, Department of Social Welfare, and helpline, Juvenile Justice Board. So, dear stakeholders, CCIs, and parents, do utilize our center. Let's make healthy minds and a healthy society. Thank you.